Today we are going to demo CompleteBankData, a loan and market intelligence platform for bankers. We're going to start off using search. Users have the ability to search the platform to understand what any person, business, bank in the US is up to. So here we looked up partnership. We're going to see everything they have going on. We're going to click into that partnership. We could understand who all the entities are at that mailing address. We could see all of their lender relationships. We could see their debt. We could see the properties they own. We could see a timeline of everything that they have done in the past. And finally, we can see all of these things put together graphically through what we call a connections graph. And so this shows how all of the parties are related through what transactions, what property ownership, and in a couple seconds, you could understand exactly what is going on with any prospect in the US. You could also use the map to understand what opportunity exists in an area. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at area search of all the maturing loans in a given area. As you can see there, the red dots on the screen. We could also take a look at expensive mortgages, so mortgages over $5 million. And then finally, we could actually drill into those properties, understand the details of the parcel, who owns it, and see further details about mortgages and what they're connected to. If you want to understand what broad opportunity exists, we have an opportunity analysis, which allows you to put a point on the map and then see everything that's happening within a certain radius of that point. Mortgages, market share, activity, SBA loans per year. You might also want to evaluate a specific competitor. We have loan level details of every lender in the US. Here we're looking at which customers of a lender have started to work with someone else. We call this our risk analysis. We could look at that entity's details, see if this is a viable prospect. We could also look at loan level details for commercial, residential, industrial loans. We could see all the details of everything that that bank has done. We could also see loans that are secured by UCCs. For any of these loans, we could then click in. We could see the connections graph. We can get further details with just a few clicks. Lastly, we're going to take a look at how this database becomes living with our tool called Track. Track allows you to follow a lender, follow a person. For a lender, anytime they do a new loan to a new customer that meets your criteria, you're going to get that in your inbox. For a person, anytime they purchase a property, take out a new loan, have a foreclosure, start a new business, those things will be in your inbox as well. This is a great way to keep track of your market without needing to log back in daily to see everything that's changed. It just comes straight to your inbox on a regular basis.